तो हे फ्रेंड्स, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माँ भोले। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं हूँ मेरा कॉलेज, जो कि आप सबको पता है ना कि राजेंद्र यूनिवर्सिटी। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज का डेट है 11 दिसंबर है। तो गाइस, आज हमारा कॉलेज में एक सेमिनार है जो नेशनल सेमिनार है। मैं तो केमिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट का हूँ, इसलिए मैं आपको दिखा दूंगा कि आज आज क्या क्या है। तो गाइस, ये देख सकते हो, मेरा पीछे एक पोस्टर लगी हुई है। तो इस सेमिनार में बहुत सारे बड़ा बड़ा मतलब साइंटिस्ट बोलने से भी गलत नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वो मतलब पीएचडी का सार आ रहे हैं। तो कुछ इस बारे में बात होगा। तो पहले से मैं आपको नहीं बताता रहा हूँ, बीच बीच में आपको बोलता रहूँगा कि इसमें होगा क्या क्या कैसा होगा। तो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए कि आपको कुछ समझ में आएगा तो कमेंट जरूर कीजिए, नहीं तो मैं फिर समझाने के लिए कोशिश करूँगा। तो फ्रेंड्स, चलते हैं। मैं अभी हूँ ये राजेंद्र यूनिवर्सिटी, और ये आर्ट्स ब्लॉक है। आपको पता है या नहीं, फिर भी मैं थोड़ा बहुत दिखा दूंगा कि इधर। तो चलते हैं, देखते हैं आगे मतलब क्या क्या होता है।
Present this bouquet lordship guests, let us also present our gratitude and respect for their valuable presence. Let us make this moment a memorable one with our enthusiastic approach. Now I would like to
Feedback our PG Foster students.
ब्रह्मज्योति नमोस्तुते ब्रह्मज्योति प्रदीप्ताय गुरुज्योति नमोस्तुते तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रवृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृति मालिकं विदधति पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं
program to give the welcome.
Opposed the Chemical Society, Professor, respected resource persons, esteemed colleagues, invited guests, and my dear students. It is a matter of great pride and honor for us to host the 6th extended lecture series on frontier of chemical sciences under the prestigious banner of Odisha Chemical Society.
Hirak Chakravarti, School of Chemistry, Sambalpur University. Professor Divankar Sahu, School of Physics, Sambalpur University.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. My request, our esteemed Chairman, Professor
will create a single platform for academia, research and industry to discuss critical societal issues, germinate.
You see, who have come here, am I audible? Or 1 month back? No, in September 4th I think.
Frontier Chemical Sciences to 024. So this is a function for the students. This is the function of the students and organizing by the students and benefit for the students. So I am really excited. Now I am requesting our Professor Aditya Kumar. Thank you, sir. So, organizing committee has given me to give the vote of thanks. So,
Young Scientist Lecture in OCS, UGC Research Award, Samanta Chandrasekhar Award, UGC DSR Faculty Fellow, Society, and has been a member of various editorial boards and review committees. Professor Mishra has collaborated with international researchers and has visited universities in the USA, Indonesia, and Chile. Professor Mishra has published 159 research papers
On different chemicals, like let us say ketchup and is working in such a way that it will help in locomotion. Again, similarly, plant materials, these are also living materials. Why living down in water, maybe there are chemicals, they synthesis, photosynthesis going on. All these are due to different chemicals are getting food. Again, these are good chemicals. And again, from very fundamental side, if we start, then all are due to some elements. They are all due to some elements. Like that, how many elements are there that you know? Now it is almost 130 or something, 130 elements. Out of which are around 40-50 are easily, we are in touch with those. 30 to 40 are, we are in touch with those elements. And they are mostly due to some elements which are present in Earth, in universe, everywhere, mostly. And we are playing with those. And these elements are nothing but oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, simple phosphorus. All these elements are there. We know about these elements, how many atoms, how many electrons, how many protons are there, what is that. We know that how they can bond. Everything, some chemistry is involved here. And this is I have drawn a graph of melting point, boiling point, simple physical properties of alkanes, how they are related to the number of atoms. Suppose you have to predict something. Can you predict what will happen after 2 minutes? Can you predict? I will be speaking here. If you predict of this room, then you can say that I will be speaking here. After 2 hours, what will happen? Difficult to say. After 2 years, what will happen? More difficult to say. If you go beyond time, if you go ahead of time, then it will be very difficult to predict. If you go beyond that, something away from you, it will be very difficult to predict. Already have 6-7% reached at that time. But what they got? Almost 0, 0.001, 0.01, 0.3%. But they say, why we are not getting close to the silicon? The problem was that because in organic material, the accident usual length is very small. What happened when they reach this donor molecule is another acceptor. Then you have a donor and acceptor. So acceptor pulls this electron. So you need additional material, not a single material. You need two material, at least donor and acceptor, to transport the charges, which is easier in case of inorganic, which I showed you now. See, for example, here, this is inorganic limiting value. So the detection of these ions are important to know the level of concentration. So our design is molecular sensors. So we are designing small molecular molecules which can detect these ions or species by chlorogenic or chromogenic mode. Means either it should show some color changes which is visible to naked eye, or it can be visible under the ultraviolet light, which is basically fluorescence. So the basic idea about is we design a molecule, we excite the molecule or we irradiate the molecule in light. It shows a particular physics or photophysical properties, and when it interacts with a particular species or particular ion, it undergoes some photophysical changes or it
not show the peak greater than the 11 peak. It will never. Only reduced graphene oxide will show the peak at 24 peak. If I zoom the whole picture, then the intensity of this peak is higher, and it is just all this. It is not. Okay. Then in the FTIR also it shows how the bonding is there of our composite, and the summary of this is that metal oxide has replaced the oxygen of the graphene oxide, because the intensity of the graphene oxide peak, here I have missed that figure, intensity of the graphene oxide peak reduced when you composite it with the zinc oxide or Fe-doped zinc oxide. That confirms that the conduction band, and then it is trapped by the pipette, then that electron can be absorbed by the graphene, so that it will not further combine with the hole. So that means the ultimately whatever electron hole pair is on, that electron is utilized to react with the Fe, and also hole is utilized to react with the Fe. And also the heterojunction formation is there. Now we want to apply it in real field, ideal water distribution. So it is little bit slower, and this also we have tested different cycle and
Thank you. Next speaker is again one alumnus of this college. Give a big clap to Soros South. Is a student sitting like this, like you here, and you are a student of Sambalpur University in chemistry. Then you went to IIMT. Then I was the RR at that time, working with Shashi Menon, a great scientist. Now he is doing work in DRDO. You know DRDO? Defense Research. Government defense research.
Fluoride, this type of materials, but in green chemistry, how we can prevent it? And using this chemistry, green chemistry, how we can use for our day-to-day life. Then in green chemistry, there are 12 principles. In the 12 principles, they are used around these 12 principles, they are used for how to manage waste, material risk, and environmental risk.
Yeah.
It is thermic complex, and then after heat treatment, we are not isolating. we, at the time of synthesis, we have to analyze. We are analyzing it, that is metal complex.
And by that, these questions, by that, you can know that what type of mechanism is there.
Yeah.
Whether what type of which phytochemical is essential to.
Yeah, that we are analyzing it. That complex we are analyzing by HRLCMS, and then we can conclude that metal complex is solving, and then we are getting the final process.
Now the dinner has come, the lunch has come.
So chemistry, all of you are from chemistry?
Yes.
So the best part of our chemistry is that we can diversify in any subject. We can include in physics, we can include in chemistry, we can include in biology, we can do everything because we understand molecule. Right? So every process, physics, chemistry, even to some extent mathematics and biology, that unless and understand you really understand molecule properly, you cannot understand biology, physics or anything. So today I will be talking about a subject which is called biophysics, and which I call as a melting pot for physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. Okay, so what is biophysics? Now, it's an interdisciplinary subject that utilizes the knowledge of all physics, chemistry, mathematics to understand a biological problem. And we need to peptide-based inhibitors to stop this fusion process. And we call that if I can design a peptide which stops this fusion, then I can use this as basically antiviral agent. So my peptide, it will block the entry of virus. So it will what kind of a vaccine? I am not claiming that we built it, but the hypothesis is that. So if you can block that fusion, virus cannot enter. If it cannot enter,
What is it to the operating?
veterinary medicine.
Dr. Archana Behera, please come to the. So, OCS president wants feedback from the students. So, what do you feel?
मैं तो BSc MSc भाई भौणी मैंने अच्छु तो आपको जस्ट जितने पढ़ला बेले आउचे खाली टॉपिक पे पढु किंतु हमें जितने सार मैम जितने हमको ताकर पढ़ाले कि जे पूरा गोटे निर्दिष्ट टॉपिक रे पढे समान कि सेटा जनता हमर समाज से लागि हित हे पाबा हमें जितने पढ़ला बेले पढु खाली जस्ट जानबार ले किंतु हमें जदी भविष्य रे जदी आके जदी इन लाइन रे दिबार अछि तो सार माने जनता इसमें से पढ़ाले कि गोटे एन्जॉय से समाने सेटा से मोमेंट के ताकर रिसर्च रे करिछन और संता हिसाब भी कि हमको एबे पढ़ाले तो दुई नंबर कथा है कि हमर जो फर्स्ट 6 सेमेस्टर और पीजी भाई मनकर 4th सेमेस्टर अच्छे कि सेमिनार केता भी होई छै हमको गोटे नवा जिनिस जानबार लागि पाना कि केता सर माने
many instrument in that under one roof, which you are studying in your theory that NMR and SAM studies and DLS, all these instruments you are studying, and some of them, some of the new faculties must have used them also. So I personally invite students particularly to come to the university campus and have a visit to those facilities, so that you can have a practical hands-on experience on those instruments, how the instrument works, how it operates, and how you can analyze your samples. All this will show you with the details. So I personally invite the postgraduate students, particularly because graduate students they have, may not have such experience, but still I also invite them to come in group wise or as a semester wise in different groups and have a visit to those facilities and
They would miss that talk. They were evaluating.
One more time.
Okay, thank you, sir. So now I would like to invite Professor J. Kamila sir to give his feedback in the HOD, head of the Department of Physics, Rajendra.
We are really grateful to President OCS and his team to prefer this university for this nice day seminar, one-day seminar. And actually, from the beginning I saw that there are some textbooks benches were lying vacant. And taking this topic to be covered today, like nanomaterials, solar cell, etc. I messaged or rather called my students to attend it forcefully. That actually you must attend this. And some of our students also attended this one, but we are 3 students, PG and UG both. And really a nice talk. And lastly,
President of Ursa Chemical Society, Professor A.K. Mehra sir, for giving us opportunity to conduct such a level of national seminar here in our department. Thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity to us. Then I would like to have a heartfelt thanks to our distinguished speakers and panelists for sharing your expertise and knowledge. Your valuable insights have significantly contributed to the success of this event and have provided us with much to reflect upon. And thank you so much our convener, Dr. S.N. Shavya sir, and co-convener, Dr. G.K. Pradhan sir, for guiding us how to conduct this type of seminar here in our department. Thank you all the faculty members of our department for
Dear students, with big claps, with standing ovation to the success of this one-day attendance lecture.
ये बात नहीं